Did you know that something as simple as guava leaves could help you manage your blood sugar? I'm serious. Guava leaves, the stuff most people sweep up in their backyard, might just be a secret weapon for type 2 diabetes. Let's break this down. Guava leaves are packed with antioxidants and powerful plant compounds, like quercetin, that help slow down the absorption of carbs in your gut. That means when you drink guava leaves tea, it could actually help stop those big blood sugar spikes after you eat. Pretty cool, right? There are a bunch of studies out there showing guava leaves tea can lower fasting blood glucose and even improve insulin sensitivity. In plain English, it helps your body use insulin better and keeps your sugar levels more stable. If you're wondering how to make it, it's simple. Just grab a handful of fresh or dried guava leaves, rinse them off, and steep them in hot water for about 10 minutes. Strain it, sip, and you're done. It has a mild, earthy taste, way better than you'd think. But here's the thing. Guava leaves tea is not a cure. It's a tool. You still need to watch your carbs, stay active, and follow your doctor's advice. And definitely talk to your healthcare provider before making any changes to your routine. So if you're looking for a natural way to support your blood sugar, guava leaves tea might be worth a shot. Sometimes the simplest things really do make a difference. Give it a try, and let me know how it works for you.